What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue, and it's time to get down with a little bit of an air fryer experiment. Some of you guys that have watched some of my previous videos know that I have really been rocking with this cornstarch on my chicken wings lately. I really like the way this puts a coating on a chicken, a nice little thin coating. And I've had a few questions as to should I use flour or cornstarch. Really, there's no right or wrong answer, but what I wanted to do was take my air fryer into work, hook up a few of these chicken wings, and see what people prefer. We're going to be comparing flour to cornstarch to naked wings. What I'm going to be seasoning all these chicken wings with is going to be seasoning called Rich's River Dirt, and I am going to be using the sweet version of this. I think this is going to pair nicely with these wings. And you know what? I'm going to leave a link to where you can buy this stuff in the description below. And he also has a YouTube page. I'm going to leave a link to that page in the iCard above and description below as well. As far as the coating we're going to put on these wings after they're done getting cooked, I'm just going to whip up a simple honey mustard with a little bit of hot sauce blend just to spice them up a little bit. What I'm going to do before I go to work is I'm just going to throw some of that cornstarch and flour into these Ziploc bags, and I'm going to put equal amounts of this seasoning in both of these bags just to make it easier when I get there. I'm excited to see how this turns out. I'll see you at work. These wings are already seasoned up. These are my flour wings. These are our naked wings. Now, I forgot to bring my seasoning to work with me, so I just went ahead and went salt and pepper on these. And these are the cornstarch wings. So I'm going to let these sit for about 10-15 minutes, then we'll get them in the air fryer. These are about to go in the air fryer for about 25 minutes or so. These are our flour, these are the naked, and these are our cornstarch wings. See you back when they're done. These are our wings. I'm going to go ahead and sauce these bad boys up individually since I can't really be tossing them and still keep in order which flavor they are. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that, plate it up, and see how many people I can get to get in on this taste test. So we are here with Kim. She doesn't know which ones are which. She's going to take one of each one and taste it, and then once she's done tasting them, she's going to tell me which of those three she likes. Like I said, this is more about the coating than it is the flavor, so that middle one is just going to be salt and pepper. So anyway, get down.
That's good.
Get you another plate to put that on.
Oh, it's on computer? Oh, no, that's okay. That is good learning, we'll switch.
Well, that's what happened in the old place. I learned pointing, all of a sudden, like, oh, we're not doing that again. Okay.
I like them both.
I'm gonna send this
What about the third one?
to you.
I don't know yet.
Well, which both are you talking about?
These two.
Okay.
All right. So that one, if you like more of the sauce when you bite,
Last four digits.
I like that one for sauce. But I like the way that one cooked
Okay.
because it's still crunchy, but you still taste the flavor.
And then so.
But this one is really good.
You know what? Let me taste that one. So what she is picking is she is saying that she likes the one with cornstarch more, which is kind of what I was getting at earlier. So anyway, I'd like to thank you for taking part in this experiment, Kimberly.
Anytime.
Personally, the thing that I like about the cornstarch and the one thing that I think that Kimberly brought up on file was she said she likes the way it kind of, I forgot how she puts it, but it kind of is, it's hard for me to explain. It's just it's not as crunchy, I would say, as a flour-based coating. It's crispier, if that makes sense. So thinner, crispier, less actual crunch. Anyway, wish I could have got more of these people on camera, but I do appreciate you guys stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.